Think about what it takes to do a full day of desk work. Now imagine compressing all of those hours into just a few seconds. This level of automation reaches far beyond the capabilities of general-purpose chatbots. In 2026, artificial intelligence is quietly executing the heavy lifting for almost every digital task imaginable. Yet, the vast majority of people are still grinding through their work the traditional, slow way, simply because they don't know the alternatives exist. We are going to count down 10 highly specialized AI tools that bypass that manual labor, directly accelerating how you work, learn, and create. The software stack we're looking at today signals a shift in the digital landscape, a future where the primary barrier to finishing a project is no longer the time required to master the tools. To see how this works, we have to start at the baseline, the everyday friction of office life. Take slide decks, for example. Formatting text, adjusting layouts, and searching for the right images usually eats up an entire afternoon. Tool number 10, Gamma, bypasses that formatting phase. You type a single prompt describing your presentation, and Gamma outputs a fully designed, structured slide deck in under 5 minutes. But output is only half the battle. The input side, managing scattered meeting notes, random to-do lists, and messy brainstorms, is a daily source of chaos. Tool number 7, Notion AI, acts as an automated brain for this scattered data. You can attend an hour-long meeting. Instead of frantic typing, the AI instantly digests the conversation into automatically structured, color-coded action points. We see this same efficiency applied to web research. Instead of sifting through hundreds of links, tool number 6, Perplexity, analyzes the web, delivering a direct answer with exact source citations attached. Gamma, Notion, and Perplexity remove the administrative friction that traditionally drains our energy, allowing for a direct transition into deep work and creative execution. Once that friction is gone, the barriers to high-level media production start to fall. Producing a professional video usually requires a camera, studio lighting, expensive microphones, and hours of editing. Tool number 9, Synthesia, removes the physical hardware completely. You type a script, choose an AI avatar, and the system generates a video of that avatar delivering your exact lines. Pair that with tool number 5, ElevenLabs. This system generates audio that captures the exact cadence, breath, and inflection of a human voice, making it indistinguishable from a live recording. Now take the concept of the studio away entirely. What if you need raw cinematic footage, but you only have an idea in your head? Tool number 4, Runway, generated this sweeping cinematic shot of a neon-lit city from a single text description. It creates high-quality, manipulatable video clips using only your imagination as a reference. That same generative power applies to static branding and high-end illustration with tool number 3, Midjourney. Midjourney generated this product shot from a text prompt, achieving the precise lighting and macro-level detail typically reserved for a professional studio setup. High production value media is no longer restricted by budget or years of technical training. The only limiting factor now is the scope of your imagination. Generating media is impressive, but the final tier of tools moves into the realm of high-level engineering and the resolution of complex, real-world problems. If you want to build software, tool number 8, Cursor, acts as a dedicated senior engineer sitting right next to you, whether you have a computer science degree or you've never written a line of code. You write a plain English request for a feature or a bug fix, and Cursor translates that directly into functional, layered software architecture, expanding it across your entire codebase. When it comes to handling sprawling intellectual workloads and deep reasoning, you need an AI built for technical depth, which brings us to tool number 2, Claude. While other models optimize for quick answers, Claude is architecturally designed to ingest 1,000-page technical documents. You can feed it an exhaustive financial report, and it will structure a thoughtful, analytical breakdown of the data. Which leads to the foundation of this entire ecosystem, tool number 1, ChatGPT. It introduced millions to generative AI, and its unmatched versatility across writing, planning, and coding keeps it at the center of the industry. These top-tier tools elevate the human role. You are no longer a manual worker executing isolated tasks. You are a director, capable of wielding the operational capacity of an entire tech company from a single laptop. The true value of these 10 tools is simple. The barrier between having an idea and executing it in reality has been completely erased. So, from automating administrative workflows to generating raw cinematic footage to reasoning through complex code, which of these capabilities surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments below. We are still at the starting line of this technology. If you want to stay ahead of the curve as these tools evolve, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.